Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install the Monkey app on your PC. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Monkey app on Google. Go to the official website and wait until it fully loads. You will notice that unlike Ome TV which has a download option for PC, Monkey app doesn't provide one. To install it, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. From there, look for the cast, save and share section and choose install page as page. You can give it a name if you like or just click install. Once installed, the Monkey app will open up and you will be able to use it without keeping your browser open. After closing it, you will also see a new Monkey app icon on your desktop. Just double click to open it. If you ever want to uninstall it, open your Start menu and go to the Control panel. Select Uninstall a program, find Monkey app in the list and click Uninstall. Make sure to tick on option that remove app data from Chrome and click Uninstall. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.